Welcome, Milano family, to another amazing episode of the Milano Cooking Show. Today we're making, it's summer, it's hot. We're trying to stay away from the oven, stay away from the stove. So we're making today, look at this, it's amazing. This is a Cowboy Caviar salad. The recipe is down below. Watch this. All right, another summertime soon-to-be favorite of yours. Okay, so we're gonna start off with making our dressing. A cup of avocado oil. So, 1/3 is right out here. We're gonna pop it in our little, cute little balls. And then we're gonna go with about 1/3 of a cup of mirin vinegar. Let's see, here. Alrighty. Or lime. I'm gonna use lime. Put a little bit of cumin. I'll have the exact ingredients. And we're gonna do a little bit of paprika. Do a little bit of garlic. Everything that I make has garlic, come on. Okay, then we're gonna have a little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna go with a little bit of salt. A little bit of sugar. Alrighty, then we're gonna take our little bonnet. We're going to put her on tight and shake her up. Ooh, that looks delicious. Is that not fantastic? So let's put in our corn. So just a can of corn. If you have leftover corn from your weekend barbecue, use that. We've got some black-eyed peas. And these are all drained. We've got some black beans. We've got our avocado, chopped nicely, our adobes, and there we've got some tomato. We've got a little bit of jalapeno. Now we've got some red peppers. And we're gonna top it off with some red onions. Look at that, how beautiful. I'm gonna go with this little olive spread. I've been using this in a lot of my salads lately. I really like it. So we're gonna put a little bit of this in here. Look at how great this looks and healthy. And I'm not necessarily going to use all the dressing, so. I think that is sufficient. Look at this. Gorgeous. Put a little lid on this. And yes, it fits snugly. Pop it in the fridge for 2 hours. We'll be back in a snap. Alrighty, so we took our little lovely dish out of the fridge. It had it in for about 2 hours or so. About an hour and a half, let's be real. I'm gonna put in, just for beautification purposes, and of course taste, we're gonna add in a couple of full olives. These are stuffed with a little pimentos. I'm gonna add in some pumpkin seeds to give it a little crunch. Oh, this looks, I can't tell you, this looks so good. It's just incredible. Look at this, Milano family. Absolutely incredible. So try it. Message me, tell me how much you love it. Maybe we'll see you in the showroom, or we'll definitely see you on the next episode of the Milano Cooking Show. We'll see you then.